Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have another some more measurements that I'm about to give out. Now I will apologize because this week I did plan on doing the airheads, y'all. I went out, I bought the airheads like 5 days ago. I was like so ready for this project. So long story short, I go and get my airheads packed to, get ready to figure out the measurements and stuff for it. And the pack was empty. My kids ate all the goddamn airheads there was in that pack and left the pack there so that I'm seeing it. So I think my airheads are still there. I'm good. No, they got me. They left the empty pack. So I had to look around my house and was like, what am I about to do? like I gotta do a video. So of course, Easter has passed. And I had to use some candy for my kids, y'all. So the only thing that I could think to come up with was some lollipop wrappers. Somebody did ask me about that a while ago. I did not do the circle ones though. I did the I guess like the flat ones, and I did this baby shower thing. I think it came out pretty good. It looks super cute. Now this one, I did this one just a little bit bigger, and the reason why, let me see if you can see them in the size. Can you tell? Okay, I did this one a little bit bigger because I actually went in and used some I don't know what them scissors is called, but the scissors that got like a little pattern edge or whatever, thinking that would make it look cute or whatever. But y'all, my scissors, I gotta invest in some better scissors. Look at that. Look at that. That's terrible. But if you got some good pattern scissors that would cut this good, that would be something cute to do. I just went on Amazon, bought the cheapest one, so you get what you pay for. But I mean, it doesn't look bad this way either. Turns out really cute. And if you are on my Patreon page, I will also be putting up the backgrounds that I have to both of these pictures, as well as the little elephants. So you can do exactly the same thing I just did. But these are super cute. You don't have to do them for baby showers. You can also do these, for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, whatever you're doing. These are just, super cute to do. Yeah, if you would like me to do the circle ones, I can do the circles too. Circles. I can do the circle lollipops as well. Lord have mercy. What is wrong with me? Them kids ate my airheads and I was very disappointed. Very disappointed. But you know what? It's in the past now. I got these. I think these came out cute. Airheads will be next week, you guys. I promise airheads will be next week. So yeah, if you have any questions about that, the measurements will be on my Patreon page. Okay, real quick, one more thing. I had cut off the camera, but I wanted to show you what these actually look like when I pretty much unwrap them or, take them off, so that you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so that's pretty much all it is. It's just like one sheet, and then I pretty much folded it over and glued the edges. But that's pretty much all that is. And as you can see, this one is the smaller one, and it pretty much fits it to a T, fits it perfect. This one, I do have the measurements for both of them. If you're going to do the something to your edges with the scissors, you might want to make it a little bit bigger. That way, you got room to cut off the excess. But yeah, if you do got those scissors, please let me know a brand that I could buy, because these scissors was trash. It was my first time using them, and they let me down, y'all. They let me down. I was so disappointed. Anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys really quickly that. Okay, end of the video. And all right. A lot of you have been asking questions about the Patreon page. I'm just gonna go ahead use this video now to answer the questions. So if you don't want to hear about it, you can go ahead and just turn the video off now. But those of you that are interested in the Patreon page, I have 4 different tiers. I have a $1 tier. That's pretty much just the same videos that I post on here, and that one is just to pretty much support me and to help me grow and bring crafts and new things to you guys. I also have a $5 tier. The $5 tier is anything that has to do with chip bags. It will be there. I have tons of videos, on glitter borders, glitter text, also in Microsoft as well as Publisher. I have the measurements. I have design videos for Publisher and Microsoft as well. But that is just strictly chip bags. It is nothing else. But you do get images. I always give out images and backgrounds to all the tiers. So even if you sign up for the $1 tier, you will still get images and backgrounds. The $10 tier is pretty much labels. Anything that is a label or a cover up for something else, that's where you want to be at. Images and backgrounds as well. The $14 package, you get both the $5 tier and the $10 tier. You get both of them combined. Access to everything pretty much. And you are billed once a month. It's not weekly or anything like that. It's once a month. So if you were to sign up now, you would be billed for the next month, the following month, which would be May. So you would be billed May 1st. So that is how that works. And also I'm on there every day, so I answer questions. You can directly message me on there as well. I also take requests on there, so if you want to see a certain type of video, that would definitely be the place to go to request it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.